Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create a GitHub account. This is the official website github.com of GitHub. Give email address from which you want to create account. After giving email address, click on sign up for GitHub. Click on continue. Give a password. Password should be strong. Click on continue. Give a username. Click on continue. If you want, you can select I'm not selecting, then click on continue. It will ask you to verify your account because nowadays there are bots which create accounts. For this purpose, we need to verify the account. We need to solve the puzzle. After solving, click on submit. Click on create account. Now GitHub send you a code on your email ID. Copy that code, paste in these boxes. This is for the verification. You can see your email was verified. Now from here you can create repository. Then after creating a repository, you can create branches, upload the code. We will see that one by one later. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.